Every year, the streets of Thailand come alive with excitement, laughter, and a whole lot of water. Welcome to Songkran, the wildest New Year celebration you'll ever experience. But before the water fights begin, the festival starts with a beautiful ritual, pouring water on sacred Buddha statues, symbolizing purification and a fresh start to the year. As the day heats up, the streets turn into water battlegrounds. Locals and tourists armed with water guns and buckets join in the fun, splashing each other in a celebration of new beginnings and unity. Songkran isn't just about water, it's also about family. On the second day, young people pay respects to elders by pouring scented water over their hands, receiving blessings in return. To honor the traditions, parades and vibrant cultural performances fill the streets, showcasing Thailand's rich heritage in full color and energy. Want to take it up a notch? Head to the beaches of Pattaya, Krabi, or Phuket, where the water fights extend into all-day parties with DJs, music, and dancing. While the celebration is thrilling, remember to stay safe. Be mindful of the road, stay hydrated, and most importantly, respect the traditions and the people around you. Come, be a part of this unforgettable Thai New Year, and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures.